喺東維港灣區，讓生活自成藝術，對望壯闊無邊維港景致，環抱兩岸繁華地標，飽覽翠綠寶馬山及東半山山巒，置身都會核心，感受維港恬靜。步行約4分鐘，即到鐵路站。屯馬線接通九龍新界，3站過海，交通四通八達。雲集34校網頂尖學府，坐擁全港4大名校網之一嘅優勢，同區新項目之中僅此獨有，下一代精英輩出。國際頂尖設計師及藝術家團隊精心雕琢。
We hope that the idea and the concepts that we brought into an artist in residence will kind of stimulate people's creativity and people's ideas and create something that they really want to live in.
空間格局盡顯非凡氣度，讓藝術融入生活，活現獨有格調。
We hope that Highwood will be a place where community can grow alongside the natures, and it will become not just a home, but the next coolest neighborhood in Victoria Cove area.
三維立體園林設計，突破傳統平面園林。一呼一吸，延展生活維度。遊走成林綠洲，細味藝上氣息。幾步之間，探索區內不同味道。盡覽城中地標傑作。舉步到達未來啟德地下購物街，一切近在咫尺。知己相會，開懷暢聚，放眼未來，眼界從此開展無限。雄踞東維港灣核心，維港兩岸一目了然。Highwood Phase 2一目第2期壓軸登場。Live here, live beyond the horizon.